Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 13th of January 2023. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Bank Nifty, January future and Nifty January future. So whatever has happened today in the market, this video comment is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the education purpose, alright. So now let us get started. So before moving ahead, I'd also like to inform you that right now I'm traveling towards Delhi and I'm in a train, and if in case you hear any background noise of kids screaming, crying, or anybody talking, playing some music, so please cooperate with me. And because it's like around 11 p.m. in the night and I'm just trying to be as clear as possible with the video recording, and then and trying to keep my voice as clear as possible, and I'm still making the video and trying to be consistent while I do not skip any of the days. And so that's what I'm just trying out. So if any interruptions happen, I kindly apologize on that. Alright, so the previous closing here is at 17,918, open is at 17,940, high is at 18,088, low is at 17,835. Alright, so now let us get back on the chart and then go on a 3-minute time frame and then see how the market has been performing throughout the day. Alright, so when we come on the 3 minutes time frame over here, and we can see how the market has been performing. The first candle which opens up at this point level at exactly at the opening, which is also at 17,940 ish level. From there the market starts to drip down to and breaks the support number 1. After breaking the support number 1, it goes to support number 2. After going up until support number 2, the market starts even to slightly recover up until 17,910. And after while it failed to touch the resistance level over here, the market starts to go even down further to 17,836, and after making the day's low, it takes a strong support, and after taking the support, that's where the market starts to follow the global trend, which is going in a green market. And after there the market starts to recover, breaks the support resistance number 1 and touches the resistance number 2 at 18,022, while making the day's high, which was at 18,090 ish level. From there it takes slightly dip to the bottom in order to go down. If example, I can draw you one more higher lows has been created over here again. And now on the Monday, the market opening can be expected anywhere between 18,100 to flat opening. Post that, our target will be approximately at this point, which is 18,320. Alright, so let us see how the Monday's market is gonna be there. Alright, so now also let us move to the Bank Nifty January future. The previous closing here is at 42,212, open is at 42,250, high is at 42,595, low is at 42,022. Right, so here we are on the chart on a 3 minutes time frame, and then we can see over here and how the market has been performing. And the market closed here yesterday at this point, and after the today's market opening at 42,250 ish level change, the market started to slightly drop down to the bottom, and then the Bank Nifty suddenly recovers, but it was unable to sustain at the top, which was at 42,333. From there the Bank Nifty starts to drop down to the bottom at approximately 42,027 to make the day's low, stays below the range which had driven for the week. And after staying it for the week over here, the market starts to slightly stay in the bottom line, and after staying in the bottom line, it recovers up to the support number 1, and it breaks the support number 1, and that which also was converted into resistance number 1 when the market was trading below this level. And after the resistance number 1 was broken, the Bank Nifty touched at resistance number 2, which was at 42,500 ish level, while making the day's high at 42,600. Alright, and then the market slightly managed to close at 42,483. Looking at the trend and how the market has been following up for the day, we can expect the Bank Nifty to open flat, to open anywhere between 42,650 ish level, and we can even see that level. And then our first target would be 42,700, and then the second target we can keep it at 40 43,000 ish level, and then let us see. But we are definitely expecting a very bullish movement to be happening. We can expect this gap to be touched for sure, which is 42,800, and without any hesitation I am expecting that to happen. All right, so yeah, I apologize again if there are any interruption in my voice. So yeah, whatever has happened is purely based on my point of view, and the possible prediction is also on my point of view. If any losses or profit, you're solely responsible for it. All right, so cool. Thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. I'll see you in the next episode. See you, take care, good night.